I advocate Tarun Kumar on behalf of Democracy News located at Delhi. Today, Legal Awareness for the Common People third edition is highlighted. The common people most suffer in the family dispute which are common in the societies at large. We hereby to bring the some awareness how to control the family dispute among the common people. Family dispute how arose, which to be controlled under the Family Courts Act, under the Domestic Violence Act. There are many issues that family dispute arose, which any dispute, any misunderstandings among the family members in between son, father, mother, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, etc. are all covered under the family disputes. The most important part in the family disputes are with the common people, irrespective of all the religions, Hindu, Muslims, Christians, and any other religion, Sikhs, Parsis, etc., all are covered under the Domestic Violence Act. Now, in regard to the family dispute, what are the things to be concerned specifically that will define from each religion to each religion? However, family dispute, how it is controlled under the Domestic Violence Act 2005 and followed with the rules 2006, we hereby to make the public aware in common to avoid the domestic violence. The domestic violence has been enacted to render justice to the common people, mostly to the women. Women are deprived from the personal right by the society, by their parents, by their husband, by their brothers, by their sister-in-laws, etc. Now that has been known to people are domestic violence. Now domestic violence is very serious at the present juncture in the society. Now in the domestic violence, all the offenses related, including your family property, economic growth, rights in the property, disturbance, assaulting, beating, everything has been covered under Domestic Violence Act. However, this act also not suffice to sort it out entire problems among the family disputes in the society. However, it has little bit control to the domestic violence in the society so as to develop our human beings. In common, we have to note that from the root cause of the domestic violence, how to control. First of the thing is that this root cause of the domestic violence arose in between the children and the parents also. Parents are exorbitant and children are not listening to them. Parents dedicated for the children, children are not dedicated to parents. In the old ages, the parents thrown out their aged parents out of the home and parents are protected by the old age home. These kind of incidents how arose, sometimes due to the orthodox, due to the property grabbing, due to the lack of knowledge and behavior, dedication to the human nature. So these small issues can be sorted out from time to time. Now, being a parents, they have given birth to the children. Now children avoided to maintain their old ages. Sometimes they want to grab the properties in the old ages. They don't want to take the care of the parents, old ages. They don't want to provide the medication. Therefore, they want to kill their parents and they kill also. These kind of heinous offenses are arose in the society at large. Therefore, in India is having the variety societies This is the migrated people has been established in India. Therefore, many languages, many castes, many religions are uh, continuing in India. Not like other community. In India, we can find that everyone is governed under the Constitution of India, having their own right, controlling. Therefore, more chaos are created in India. However, in India, under the Constitution of India, everything has been protected. Thereby, Family Courts Act has been specifically enacted power to control the every disputes among the parents and children in between the societies, etc. Apart from this, to avoid this all domestic violence, we have to motivate, we have to culture the children, we have to highlight the human rights United Nations organization under which the society can be developed. These are the things that are common. Now, irrespective of the Domestic Violence Act, now there is a mostly daughter-in-law and mother-in-law, these disputes are common in the society. Apart from this, son thrown out their aged mother. Mother has no option except to go in the court filing by the domestic violence for protection their property and residence. At the same way, the daughter-in-law also files false cases against their mother-in-laws and parents-in-laws, sister-in-laws, etc., only to harass so that their parents, mother-in-laws should go out of the home so that they can stay, they can grab the property. These are the common causes are the domestic violence which family disputes are increased day by day in India. Apart from this, the protection officers also been given the full powers to sort it out under the social governance, how to control that. The government has provided much facilities to sort out these are the things. Even these common people not aware, directly they quarrel, they kill each other, they forget about that. So we would like to request everyone to avail this kind of law which can be protected in the beginning itself by preferring this violence to be controlled. I hope we can avoid the serious offenses, disasters which are likely to destroy your the family life can be protected. So therefore, we the common people should know little bit about the law and how to aware, how to motivate the people to utilization of the law. Utilization of the law protects the more and more in the common people. So mostly people think that they are not protected by the law. In fact, it is not that. So through our democratic news, we would like to bring the people little bit awareness of the family dispute to be controlled, how economic development is connected with this domestic violence. In further, we will come with the more and more highlights and findings in the domestic violence, family disputes, irrespective of the religion, caste, how far rights are governed, properties are governed under the Hindu Succession Act, Hindu Marriage Act, Adoption Act, Maintenance Act, and Parents Protection Act. These are the things are related with the family disputes. For the day, we are concluding with this minimum highlighting. Thanks for listening to the Democracy News. Any queries can be put in your suggestions, and we are here to give the proper reply and satisfy all the common people. Thanks from our Democracy News.